This week, I had one of my biggest trading days, and what's crazy is it came down to just 2 lines and 2 time frames. I ignored this for years because I thought trading has to be complicated to be profitable. Look at this move, clean, structured from point A to point B. But this is what most traders are doing, jumping in and out on the 1-minute chart and using tons of indicators. It's stressful and it's exhausting. And they're scalping like addicts just to get a few points and to give it all back at the end of the day. And then they completely miss this move. Look, I used to do the exact thing. I thought more activity equals more profits. I was over trading and over analyzing until my eyes hurt. But in reality, I wasn't trading a strategy, I was just reacting to noise. And eventually, I had enough. And that's where everything changed for me. I stopped looking for the perfect indicator and started looking for perspective. I stopped trying to trade every single flicker on the screen and finally started focusing on only 2 time frames. Let me show you how to set that up. So the first thing we want to do is we want to switch to the 1-hour chart. And this is my North Star. This is where I draw my liquidity zones. And for that, I draw one line at the recent swing high, just like that, and one more line at the recent swing low, just like that. That's it. So I'm not guessing where the market might turn. I'm looking at where it actually reacted before. So here are the 2 simple rules. If the price is at the lower line, I'm only looking to buy. And in this case, my target is at the upper line. If the price is at the upper line, I'm only looking to sell. In this case, my target would be at the lower line. If the price is in the middle, I do nothing. That's it. So if the price isn't near these levels, I don't touch my keyboard. Now, marking these levels is half of the battle. But if you enter as soon as the price touches one of these zones, you will get stopped out a lot. And most traders make the mistake of switching to the 1-minute chart and get chopped into pieces. So instead, we want to switch now to the 15-minute chart and wait for the fake out to be over and wait for a confirmation. So let me show you how that looks like, because this is the exact trade I took live in our trading community. So first, I waited for the US equity market to open, which happens at 9:30 a.m. EST. And as we can see, right at the open, the price went straight below the line that we marked from the 1-hour chart. So what I want to see now is my favorite pitchfork candlestick confirmation. I want to see one green candlestick first. And this is going to show me 2 things. First, the move down is most likely over. And second, buyers are stepping in ready to flip the price to the upside. As we can see, we have our first green candlestick here. Now the entry happens as soon as the next candlestick starts taking the high of that previous candlestick. And in this case, the stop loss can be placed here slightly below. And as a target, we can use one of these previous high right here. So for that, I'm putting my take profit right here because we're in a very volatile market and I prefer using limit orders in this case. As we can see, my take profit was hit and this was a very nice clean move, straight from point A to point B. So what changed everything wasn't a new tool or a new indicator. It was realizing that less is more. Not more trades, not more analysis, just seeing the big picture first. And if you feel like you're always one step behind and chasing the market, you're probably not missing a skill. You're most likely missing to see the big picture. So this week, try zooming out and draw these swing highs and lows and let me know if that helps. And by the way, each week I send the weekly gains guide where I map out these exact liquidity zones. It's totally free and I will put the link just in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and I cannot wait to see you back here on our channel again. Bye for now.